Welcome to Handzee's Pit, BBQ Pit Boys. Today we're making some cheesy mashed potato bacon dog.
You used to be my sweet petite. Now all you do is eat. You used to be my sweet petite. Now all you do is eat. Yeah, you're the biggest girl I met. How big you gonna get? You used to be a ton of fun. Now you're just a ton.
You got your bacon, we got our hot dog wieners, whatever you want to call it. We have mixed cheddar here. We have a Gouda, nice and soft. Leftover mashed potatoes, Italian breadcrumbs, and we need saran wrap, and we got a grill over here to put them on. All right, let's get this started. All right, let's start skewering these dogs. All the way. There's one. Perfect. Now, let's start here. That's right. I'm gonna score these puppies. These little hot doggies. Give them a little score this way. And then we're gonna score them this way. There's one.
You used to be my little cutie.
It's early morning here. And you want to make these ahead of time. And I'll show you in a minute why. But we're gonna wrap these in bacon, put them on the grill, and then smoke them up. Perfect. Grab yourself some bacon here. Pretty easy, right? Right. By the time I get out to the pit, it'll be beer time, so Joe can wait for another day. Come on now. Put it on there. You get the idea, don't you? We're gonna hit it with a little SPG. Salt, pepper, garlic.
And shrimp. Stashing real fish. 4-4 sandwich. Alligator, crawfish, smoked turkey, shrimp sticks, St. Louis spare ribs. Barbecue fried ribs. Margarita back ribs. Bacon ribs. Gonna eat up it at the pit.
Okay. Saran wrap there. I'm going to take some Italian breadcrumbs. And we're going to line it like this. No. Mashed potatoes. A couple of scoops. Form it into a ball. One there. Rolling down. Gonna give her a little roll.
Stuffed hamburgers, smoked bacon cheeseburgers.
Well, start with this gallery here.
Ribeye, beer and butter chicken thigh, briskets piled high.
The old dog can smell the dog, eh, buddy?
Eat all in at the pit.
Just like that. Now we're gonna put it on this rack right here. All right, so now we've got them made up. We're gonna hit a little more Italian breadcrumbs. We need some flour, some heavy cream, butter, 2 types of cheddar, Gouda cheese, and we have our liquor. Let's make the sauce now. I'm gonna start off with some whiskey. Cook off the alcohol. Add some butter. Oops. Get a little more. Okay, we're gonna add a little bit of cream. And put a little bit of flour in there. This is gonna be our thickening agent. You wanna do this cold. I'm gonna mix it cold. Keep the lumps out. Then we'll add the cheese in a bit. Okay. Gonna take some Gouda. Some cheddar. A little cream and flour to it. It's gonna be good. Let's just keep adding cheese. Oh yeah. Perfect. All right, let's put these together. Okay. Beautiful. Ooh, that's hot. Hot, hot. Let's give her a little mix. This is gonna be so good. Oh.
I'm going down to the house of sausage. I got my barbecue shoes on. I'm going down to the house of sausage. I got my barbecue shoes on.